Now one must understand between the magnitude and the intensity of an earthquake. The magnitude of an earthquake is a measure of its size. For instance, one can measure the size of an earthquake by the amount of strain energy released by the fault rupture. So we get a single value of magnitude for a given earthquake. On the other hand, intensity is an indicator of the severity of shaking generated at a given location. Clearly, the severity of shaking will be higher near the epicenter than farther away. Now, let us take an example of analogy of an electric bulb given in earthquake tips published by NICE. The illumination of a bulb near what we can say, for example, a 100-watt bulb is higher than that farther away from it. While the bulb releases 100 watt of energy, the intensity of light at a location depends upon the wattage of bulb and its distance from the bulb. Hence, the size of the bulb, that is 100 watt in our case, is like the magnitude of an earthquake, and the illumination at a location is like the intensity of shaking at that location. Now, the magnitude and intensity in seismic design. How we can use the magnitude and intensity in our seismic design problem for our structures. One can say that by what value of magnitude my building will resist the earthquake, because for a particular magnitude, say M6.0 earthquake, the earthquake produces the different shaking intensities at different locations. Thus, building should be designed to resist for the intensity of shaking and not for the magnitude. Thus, we need to know a new terminology called PGA, that is peak ground acceleration. Peak ground acceleration is a maximum acceleration experienced by the ground during shaking. For example, during Bhuj earthquake, the area enclosed by the isoseismal lines 8 may have experienced a PGA of about 0.25 to 0.3 G. IS 1893 is the Indian seismic design code used for the design of structures. For this, we will talk later regarding the same. So these are the assignments that you need to complete. You have to come with these assignments before the class. The following question you can easily now able to answer. These questions are: define earthquake magnitude and intensity, what is the difference between magnitude and intensity of earthquake, and define isoseismic maps. Thank you.